where do I hold then? Hang on here and here?
Yeah, well, just make sure you've got your feet braced. Generally, the seat is going to hold you laterally.
Okay. Yeah.
Keep your feet braced because you'll feel it most when
diving into corners, I suppose.
Braking.
Yeah.
The braking can be a bit. Well, no, it's a gentle ride, Stuart. Honestly. That's showing the speed because you won't be able to see that.
No.
Or you probably can't see that much of it.
I can see the really fast speeds from here. So the first one I can see is 120.
Yeah, well, you'll see that a couple of times. So we'll just take it easy at the beginning, get some heat in the brakes. Change into the normal gear though, or else it kind of upsets the car a bit. It's you lose because you're not on a motorway with other cars. You know, it doesn't necessarily feel like we're doing 105 miles an hour around a corner. You know, but this is just like I say, taking it easy to get some heat and things.
Wow. She's got some kick, this one, hasn't she? Wow.
On slicks, they take a while to warm up.
I see.
Give it a lift, please. Thank you. We haven't even started yet.
Really?
No, we haven't started.
Just the cornering's unbelievable.
Why isn't the TVR lifting? Braking for this corner as well. You don't brake here. No, he's not confident.
I don't think I would be either.
Well, hopefully we get some clear track after this and then I can lean on it a bit. It's alright, isn't it? It's a fun thing.
Brilliant, yeah.
I don't really like this corner because if you get it wrong you have nowhere to go.
Oh, I see what you mean, yeah.
And this one is great.
fast.
Goes all right, doesn't it?
That was incredible.
But it helps that I know the circuit because I've driven so many laps here. I'm still learning about it now. I'm coming out of that corner much faster than I was this morning.
Really?
Yeah.
Absolutely incredible. Hutch.
It just
Got you.
It does. It's just moving all the time. And this is what Ford did with this. They just made it really kind of playful. It's really oversteering. See what I mean? This is like I've got Goodwood all to myself. I can't see anyone in my mirror.
Oh, really?
Can't see anyone around there. That's a rare thing, isn't it? Doing a track day and watching a Spitfire land at the same time.
Doing 120 mile an hour into a bend and a Spitfire landing on your right hand side. Yeah, not normal Friday afternoon.
No.
Unbelievable car.
It is, isn't it? It's a family hatchback, Stuart. I'll be taking grass to the dump.
It's unbelievable.
I'll be taking grass to the dump on Sunday.
Yeah. It's truly amazing.
Well, aside from the people that I take, if a few of the drivers also go away thinking, bloody hell, those Focus RSs are a bit handy, then it's job done. I just like sharing and spreading the word.
Absolutely.
And it is incredible. Breather when I come up behind another car. It's really physically exhausting and mentally.
It must be, I'm hanging on to this. have had kittens if you took her out.
Yeah?
Yeah, she doesn't like it fast. It's unbelievable. Never been in a car like it.
That's why I was asking in terms of if you'd had any circuit experience.
No, not at all.
Because it is quite eye-opening, isn't it, when you get in something that's kind of being thrown around.
So responsive and like you say, almost sporty and fun-like at the back there.
Yeah. Oh, okay, he's not comfortable with this corner, is he?
No, he didn't like it.
Ooh. Okay, that's about 30 mph less than I go through there.
A rolling roadblock. Maybe it's a safety car.
No, you know, everyone's enjoying their cars. That's what it is.
Yeah,
We're not. No one's here to set lap times. It's just all about fun. He's going to be having just as much fun as I have.
Absolutely.
Guaranteed.
Yeah.
But he's doing a bit less damage to his tyres, I think.
Training and stuff like that, and all this? Or is it
No, this is just all I've learned. I've done the Institute of Advanced Motorists, which is advanced driving on the road.
Yeah, yeah.
Right. That's it. Checkered flag. So now we just cool down, low revs, let some air get in the brakes. Don't want to touch the brake pedal. I've just learned, Stuart. I think. I started right back when I was going out in my Clio Cup, because it was only when I got to the age of 33 in 2003 that I discovered that I enjoyed cars.
Right.
And I discovered I could drive by taking my standard Clio to a Renault Sport Run track day, which was full of basically 39 other Clios, all in various states of tune. And I kept going past everyone all day long, and I thought, okay, it seems I have a bit of a knack at this.
Yeah.
And I think it's the accountant in me analyses things.
Yes. Yeah.
So from that, it just became something. So I then, in about 2005 or 6, I went and did the advanced driving course on the road, Institute of Advanced Motorists.
Right.
And most of what I learned there helped me on track. And a huge amount of what I'd learned about being on track was applicable to on the road, about rev matching. You know, I'm heel and towing when I go down the gear. So it's kind of like if I just went to third now, you'd get a jolt, but I'm doing that blip of the throttle to help match everything. So there's a huge amount. Advanced driving and track driving, a huge amount makes one relevant to the other.
Sure.
But I've had instruction. Quite often you go to a track day and you can pay to have an instructor for a session, and it costs about 30, 40, 50 pounds. And every circuit I've ever been to, the first time I've been there, I've had instruction, and then it's just learning it. And a huge amount of what gives me pace around here is that I know the circuit.
Yeah, you sure?
And I see lines people are taking, and I think that's shocking.
So the first thing that struck me is when you go around the corner, the G-force is pulling, but you feel like it should flip over.
You think so? Yeah.
It just stays going over there.
So you really feel you're getting pushed to the or thrown to the side.
Not going up.
Well, it's in a very. I've had the dampers firmer. If I put it into softer suspension mode, there would have been more lean.
Right.
But I've found around here anyway, because it's smooth enough. These are too firm to have on the road.
I see.
It's for racetrack use only. I'm finding it absolutely perfect. The perfect blend of kind of grip and playfulness and agility.
Yeah. Oh, it's a brilliant car. That is absolutely.
There you go. I am so glad you were able to make this.
Oh, it's amazing.
You're gonna view the humble Ford Focus in a different light from this day
Just
forwards.
a bit. I knew it was a good car, but it was that ridiculous. God.
Oh, look, nice.
It's straight out again.
So we've got a Cayman GT4 next time.